if you understand 80 to 90% of videos that you are speaking English, but you when turns to you to speak, you freeze. You can't speak English. This video is for you. Our brain has two different skills: input, that is listening and reading, and output, that is speaking and writing. We should not focus on one of them. For example, when we are listening and just reading, we are focused on just input. It's like a person who is watching football for many years but never plays football. We should focus on output more, not input. Many people are watching YouTube videos, TV shows, and the podcasts, but they never start speaking. It's really wrong because just you focus on input, not output. And remember, input builds knowledge, output builds fluency. If you have just 1 hour a day to practice English, do this: 20 minutes listening and reading, 40 minutes just speaking. I speak about different topics, about your lifestyle, about your lessons, and many different things that you can find and speak about them. About this technique is very useful because you're watching a video or podcast and then say sentence by sentences that they're word by word and pronounce what they're pronounced like that, and you're doing it step by step, and do this in front of the mirror. You can say how to you pronounce like them or not. For example, when you want to study, say this: I want to read this book, I want to memorize this unit, I want to do my homework. Speak with yourself.